All right, we got this really nice flat top grill accessories kit. I'm just grilling up a burger on the stove because I'm like that, and I'm using this kit. So using some of the stuff from this kit. So first thing I want to go over before I go over everything else, we got this little piece right here. We have the nice little heat. What is it called? The heat glove. I forget what these are called. Got the heat glove, and you got this nice little carrying case right here that you can put everything inside. So that's amazing. We'll set that off to the side. Now we have everything right here. This is the spatula that I'm using, but it also has this spatula, has this one right here, has this one, has this nice little chopper right here. You can also see there's the measurements, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, all the way up to there's the 6 at the end there. Got the nice little tongs right here. Very nice. Right here, look at that. Got the little piece in there. This would be for spices. I would say probably most people are going to be salt and pepper. Amazing, just really nice vibe here. We got the skewers right here. I'm not going to be using these, but we got the skewers right here. Right, this amazing piece to keep the grill nice and clean. You don't want a nasty grill. You got these for eggs. So you got the heart shape right here. And then you've got the round. Let me take this out. Round right here. So very nice. You got these S hooks. Let me just take one out just so you can see it. S hooks right there. Right. Great. For corn, you got these pieces for corn, which I will not be using these as well. And then you've also got this piece right here. So just a great piece, or a great set. And let's see, I could have potentially waited till, oh, there we go. I'm grilling up a Beyond Burger. So this is great. I'm excited. Great set, highly recommend.